What up, everybody? You know what it is, man. The film Bromanga, Mr. Aubrey Action. So, no chance in hell we're gonna miss this yo. Guys, you know, when someone drops, we just had to pop in and react on it and give you some good music. So, we are back today with Joy Fats. Well, I didn't know him. He's with Aries. In fact, it's Joy Fats and Aries. They're coming to you saying where you at. This song just dropped this Friday, and I hope it's a beautiful song, guys. I hope it's a beautiful song. I hope I'm gonna enjoy it, and I hope somebody killed somebody here. So let's go, bus after bus. Let me catch them if I can. Let's go. Yeah. Okay.
Speaking of the city, I put it on my back. All my niggas winning, dog, you check the stats. Took a couple losses, but we made it back. Do my niggas favors with no strings attached. It's not where you been, dog, it's where you at. You gotta watch your friends.
It's not about where you been, dog. It's where you at. I love that line. I love that line, man. I love that line. It's not about where you've been, man. It's not about me having 1 subscriber, you know. It's me about having 700 plus subscribers. Like, come on, guys. I love that line, man.
Band dog is where you at. You gotta watch your friends, those are ones who mad. Blowing dope, foot up on the gas. Oh, so special with it. I feel.
He said something about dog and boner gas. Let's go. I thought that was a lie.
Dope, foot up on the gas. Oh, so special with it. I feel chosen. Had a plan, mapped it out. Let's get this shit in motion. Cut through money, I get that money and blow it. I never had shit and it's showing. Weight up on my shoulders, never folding. This chip on my shoulder that I'm holding. They wanna
the chip on my shoulder that I'm holding. Let me go back a bit. Let me just go back a bit. I feel like this line I missed it. Let's go.
Money, I get that money and blow it. I never had shit and it's showing. Weight up on my shoulders, never folding. This chip on my shoulder that I'm holding. They wonder why a young nigga focus. They wonder why a young nigga own it. I do this shit for young, he on that level 4. I do this for my niggas cause that's all I know. I do this for my daughter, so I love her so. I do this for the city, put the beach on. They say they run the city, dog, but we know. I do this shit for Shelly and her 3 kids. I do this shit with honor, never compromising morals. Got people depending on me, pray I make it big. It's weight up on my shoulders, but I do this shit. Do this shit. International underground kings. Niggas like me took the harder route.
International Underground Kings. Okay, that's Aries. I can just, you know, their voices are similar, but I can just, the second verse is, it's Aries. Let's go.
Kings. Niggas like me took the harder route. Who the fuck you calling out? We can tell that you just started out. You treat the game like it's your mama house. Since every rapper is the GOAT, I treat the game like it's a slaughterhouse. Anybody can get.
Since your favorite rapper is the GOAT, I keep the rap game as a slaughterhouse. Ish, come on, that's a big line. Let's go.
We can tell that you just started out. You treat the game like it's your mama house. Since every rapper is the GOAT, I treat the game like it's a slaughterhouse. Anybody can get it like it's on a house. Yeah, I'm the one they scared to talk about. I'm trying to count ends, niggas trying to count me out. I was taught to go get it by any means. I don't even think that you niggas know what it means. I don't have to be a killer to tell you I'm from the streets. Some niggas take lead, I chose taking the lead. I was taught to fly without a set of wings. Young black nigga, but the cuisine is Japanese. Cause it ain't about where you been, but where you at.
Young black nigga, but the cuisine is Japanese. Woo! Come on.
The wings, young black nigga, but the cuisine is Japanese. Cause it ain't about where you been, but where you at. Either you bounce back or to bounce back, nigga. Yeah. Speaking of the city, I put it on the map. All my niggas winning, you can check the stats. Took a couple losses, but we made it back. Do my niggas favors with no strings attached. I do this shit for them, so they ain't gotta ask. Watch out for your friends, those the ones who mad. Smoking dope, just blew 100 grams.
Yeah, so that was Joy Fats, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, with Aries track, where you at. So I love it. I don't wanna lie to you. I love the track. It's a beautiful track, and I'm glad that I got to know Joy Fats. I'm gonna check him out, so that I can just listen to more of his tracks. And their voices are similar, they have that similar voice. I don't know if it's accent or something, but something similar between them. But I was able to differentiate them, and I hope I was right. And yeah, man, my boy Aries, I feel like he brought it down. It was good. Joy Fats, he brought it down. Even though I feel like I missed a lot of his lines. Joy Fats, I feel like I missed a lot of his lines. When it comes to Reese, I was able to quote like at least 2, and that was good. And I hope that it's only 2 that I was able to quote, which were there. But yeah, man, thank you for watching, Mr. Operation. I hope you enjoy this, and please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and comment below. You can tell me with your request. I'm ready to take each and every request that you're gonna give me, guys. Mr. Operation, and I'm out.